welcome back to my channel. I'm Abigail if you're new to my channel. If not, welcome back. Today I want to share with you guys a quick 5-minute get ready with me. If you guys want to know how to achieve a 5-minute get ready, then just definitely keep on watching. I will be zooming in so you guys can see up close and personal. I have a couple of friends right over here. Just ignore that for a second. Before we do that, I want to show you guys the products that I'm going to be using because this phone is going to be on a timer and I do not want to waste that much of your time. Love Flush from Too Faced, and I'm going to be going in with the more natural color shade is Love Hangover, which is this one right over here. For my concealer, I'm using the Morphe concealer in the shade C2.25. We have some mascara, L'Oreal Voluminous Original Black. To set my under eyes, Kat Von D Translucent Powder. For my all over face powder, I'm going to be using Airbrush Flawless Finish from Charlotte Tilbury, one of my favorite. To set my brows, because I don't have time to set a really nice brow, just this gel from Gimme Brow Benefit. Oh, I forgot the most important part of the look, your lipstick. This is by MAC in the shade Sepia or Sepia. Am I saying that right? Sepia? I don't know. Who knows? This is very pretty, a nude color. So let's get this started. I'm gonna be setting my timer to 5 minutes and let's do this. When it's a look like this, I always like to conceal my under eyes to waken myself up and any imperfections I may have. I have a couple today, so I'm going to be working on those. And just blending in with this beauty sponge. This beauty sponge is from Morphe, and it's really a good dupe for the beauty blender. I'm going to be putting this also on the eyelid to kind of conceal any darkness that I may have there. Tap, tap on those beauty marks. Pimples, honestly. I don't know what's going on with my face. I feel like with my whole wearing a mask every day kind of thing, I've just been breaking out a lot. Once I set that, I'm quickly going to be going in with my Kat Von D Translucent Powder. This is from the Locket collection. And I'm just going to be focusing this underneath my eye and on my eyelid. This helps me not crease up in there. And for my all over face powder, which is going to work for foundation as well, like a foundation powder, this is the Charlotte Tilbury I said it earlier, Airbrush Flawless Finish. It's so hard to say for some reason. Using the same beauty blender. Beauty blender is your friend when you're on a rush. I feel like the most important part of this look is your blush. Love Hangover from the Love Flush palette by Too Faced. I got this a few years ago and I still love it. It's one of my favorite palettes because it has multiple shades. And then after that, I am going in with mascara. No, not mascara. My eyebrows. Just combing that with this brow gel to kind of lock them in place since I don't really have time to define them. Now I'm going in with mascara, and I like doing this to catch any of the powder that might have fallen on my eyelashes. And just if you have time to get a curler, this will look better if you curl your eyelashes, but mine's broke, so working with what I have. And I always, no matter what look I do, I always make sure I put mascara on my bottom lashes as well. Next, I will be grabbing my lipstick in Sepia by MAC. I absolutely love this lipstick, and I feel lipstick just ties in all your makeup look together. And since we still have a little bit more of time, I'm going to be putting a little bit of highlight. I had time to set my face. So that is basically what I do to kind of get me a little bit more wakened up and refreshed. How are we with time? We still have a minute left. We can take this time to just highlight a little bit of the inner corners of our eyes. This will help brighten up the eyes, our brow bones a bit. And we also want to blend all of this with the Beauty Blender just to make sure it's nice and blended. Our time is up, guys. Whoops, I put repeat. Cancel. Very nice and easy, something very simple to do when I just want to look a little bit put together but not put that much effort on it. Some blush, mascara. I always put mascara on because since I do set my face with powder, I don't want there to be any powders on my eyes. So the most important part of this look is for me the lips and blush, because that's going to give you a little bit of color in your life. Anyways, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Comment down below on what videos you would like to see next. I'd be really happy to do so. Anyways, please stay safe, stay home, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye.